Hi again. Let's now talk about how the Vasicek model is used to forecast the probability of default, or PD, and how it accounts for changes over time. Step 1. Forecasted PD with the Vasicek model. The Vasicek model helps calculate the PD by considering macroeconomic factors, asset correlation, and other variables. The formula is shown here on the screen. Let me quickly explain the key elements in the formula. And this represents the cumulative standard normal distribution function. It converts the result into a cumulative probability, making it easier to interpret the PD. P. This is the asset correlation, which measures the relationship between different borrowers' assets. It captures how defaults might be linked due to shared risk factors. Z. This is the macroeconomic factor, reflecting broader economic conditions that can impact default rates, like GDP growth, unemployment, or interest rates. The model uses these inputs to adjust the PD dynamically and returns a forecasted probability. Step 2. Accounting for curing effect. One interesting aspect is the curing effect. This refers to cases where borrowers initially face financial difficulties, perhaps missing payments, but later recover and start paying on time. Their likelihood of default decreases as their financial position improves. Step 3. Using forecasted PD in expected credit loss calculations. When calculating expected credit losses, or ECL, under accounting standards like Ind AS 109, PDs are regularly updated over time. This reflects new information about the borrower's creditworthiness and changes in macroeconomic conditions. Step 4. Vasicek model for regulatory calculations. For regulatory capital calculations, the Vasicek model often assumes a one-year time horizon. It doesn't explicitly model curing effects for individual loans, but considers an average default risk over time. This makes it useful for setting capital requirements. Step 5. Application for more detailed assessments. However, for more detailed and time-sensitive assessments, like lifetime ECL calculations under Ind AS 109, it's better to use models that can account for changes in PD over time, including curing effects. So, in this case, the Vasicek model is used to calculate the forecasted PD, but with marginal PDs factored in to reflect more dynamic updates. And that's how the Vasicek model contributes to forecasting PDs and their use in credit loss calculations. Thanks for tuning in.